If you're currently looking to build a professional website for your business, and if you're having a thought to hire a web developer and giving a whole lot of money to build your website for you, then hold that thought for now. Because in this video, I'll show you how on your own you can set up and launch your website within 2 hours by a step-by-step system. Hi, I'm Omkar Tilve, a business systemization expert where I help business owners systemize and optimize their businesses so that they can focus on their high priority task and not get stuck in their daily operations and firefighting. So, keeping this intention in mind, I've created this video where you will get a step by step system on how to launch your business website within 2 hours. And if you stay till the end, I have planned some amazing things for you and your business so that you can start your business optimization right away. So stay tuned. And while you're watching this video, take notes like crazy because when you listen and you write, that is when your retention level is much higher. So now let's work on how to build your website within 2 hours. Before I get into the step-by-step procedure of building your website, let us first understand the concept of a business website. There are different types of websites, but let's understand very clearly what a business website is. So first we'll get into the concept of a business website. So your website is your business office online. Like for any business website, it is consider it as your business office, which is online. Now, just think, what are the three things that you need for a business office in terms of this video? Okay. So the first one is you need an address for your business office. Second, you need a land or a property to build your office over there. And lastly, you need a builder who will build the structure and all the things which are needed in your office. Now, in terms of this, let's understand about a website. So in terms of this, your website also needs an address. Your websites also needs a land or a property, and your websites also need a builder, which means your business office online also needs these three things. So the first of all, here your address of your website means your domain, which is your brandname.com. For example, like when I went to buy my domain, I wanted to launch my personal brand, so I bought omkartilve.com. So similarly, it would be your businessname.com or any other domain which is related to your business that you want to choose, but preferably go with your businessname.com. Secondly, you need a land and property, which is your hosting platform. I'll explain you this in the next step. And lastly, you need a builder, which is a website builder. So this is how your offline business office and your online business office or your website have similarities. So now I hope you have understand the three primary things of a website using this example. So now let's understand these three tools. So first of all, we'll see what is a domain. Now a domain is a name which is an easy to remember address used to access your website. Like for facebook.com, if you need to go to Facebook, we go to facebook.com or instagram.com or any other .com that we want to access their website. So for examples, to buy your domain name, a few of the available platforms are Namecheap, Crazy Domains, GoDaddy, and all those things. Next, what is hosting? Now, a web hosting is a platform for you to buy or rent a space to house your website. So, as you need to buy an apartment or a property to build your office over there, similarly, you need to rent or buy a space on the World Wide Web to host your website. And the hosting platform examples are WPX Hosting, Bluehost, GoDaddy, etc. Now we'll see what is a website builder. Now, a website builder is a tool that helps you to create your own website without coding. You don't need to have the knowledge of coding. You just need to drag and drop the elements. Uh, like if you want to put a photo or an image of your product on your website, you need not go on the back end and type the code to put that image over there. You just need to drag and drop the element, the photo element property, and then upload your photo over there. And you can do this for any element that you wish for. So you don't need coding over here. So that is the beauty of this. So now we have seen what is a domain, what is a hosting, and what is a website builder. Now let's get into the steps on how you can set up this within 2 hours. So first of all, you need to buy your domain name. For example, yourname.com, your brandname.com, and the tool that you can use is namecheap.com. Now, I want to tell you that any of the tools that I'm suggesting here, I'm not an affiliate to them. They don't pay me any commissions. I'm just recommending them because they are very good, and I've been using it for almost 5 years now, and I love their services. It's only for that reason. So, first, now I'll show you how you can go on here. So you need to go to namecheap.com, and here you can type your domain that you want. Like I typed omkartilve.com and just press search. So against your domain name, you will get the amount, a yearly amount that you need to pay. So if it is feasible and within your budget, just go ahead and buy it. But before buying it, cross check if there are any errors in your domain name. If there are any errors, it cannot be corrected. You need to buy a fresh domain. So to buy this, you just need around 10 minutes. So the estimated time to buy a domain name is around 10 minutes. You just need to select the domain and uh, always choose .com, or if you're in India, go for .in, because this is the domains extensions which we find or people find more credible than any other domain extensions. So always go for .com or .in if you are in India. So you need to go click on the particular, enter your domain name, go on payment options, put your card over there and buy it. It will take around 10 minutes for this process. So next, you need to buy your hosting service. Now you have your domain name. Now you need to buy your hosting service. And the tool that I suggest is WPX hosting. And I'm suggesting this because I am in love with their quick service. Their live chat is so quick and it helps you with anything with your website, not only with your WPX or not only with your hosting problem, but anything with your website. And they are very helpful. So you can go to WPX.net, you can go and you can choose one second, and you can choose this business. For starters, you can just choose this, then enter your domain name, give them their domain details, and enter your personal details to buy the hosting. Put your credit card details over there and buy this hosting. So this will take you around 10 minutes again to buy your hosting service. Once you buy your domain and your hosting, you go on WPX hosting live chat and ask them that you want to install WordPress and connect your domain with your hosting service. And I'm telling you this because I do it on my own, but you need not go through this trouble. Just tell them, they'll get it done for you. Once you connect this, they will also help you to install WordPress and create your WordPress account and login on WPX using WPX itself. They will do it for you. You need not worry about that. And an estimated time to do this is around 30 minutes because you'll have to chat with them. Once the WPX team sets up your WordPress account and gives you your login credentials, the next thing is you need to buy and install a website builder plugin. And the one I recommend, which I love the most, is Optimise Press. So you can go to optimizepress.com. You can go in pricing and choose this $129, this builder only yearly plan. This is very much sufficient to get your website ready. So just to rewind, you have your domain name, you have connected your domain name to your hosting service, and on this hosting service, you have hosted your WordPress account, and now you have also bought your Optimize Press website builder. The only thing you have to do is you need to, once you purchase Optimize Press website builder, you need to go inside and they will give you a step-by-step procedure on how you can activate your plugin on WordPress, because Optimize Press is a WordPress plugin which allows you to design beautiful websites. So once you have installed the Optimize Press plugin on your WordPress account and you have activated it, next step is you're free to create your landing pages or your website pages. So the first thing is you need to go to Optimize Press. I'll show you here. You need to go to your WordPress dashboard, and to access this you need to type your domain name /wp admin, put your WordPress account credentials that you have got when you have created your WordPress account. So once you have activated your Optimize Press plugin, you can go to Optimize Press and click create new page. So this will open up the pages template for you. Now, if you are new to this, you can go and select any of the pre-built templates. You can just go hit preview and it will show you like this will be the page. Now, the thing is that you can select this as use template and put the title as home page and the post type is page. You can just hit on create new page and it will create a new page using this template. So see, you need not code anything over here. You just need to use your creativity to build your website. So it is made so simpler for you. So once you hit create new page, this page will be created for you and you can go here, change it to your name. Like I can put it to Omkar Tilve, and you can change this website. Now this website is pre-built for you. This theme is pre-built for you. You can just go and change the stuff pertaining to your business, put images as per that. Like you can click over here. Now here below this, if you want to add an image, I'll show you how. You can go in elements. You can go and type image. You will get the image. You can just drag and drop it over here. And then you can just select which image you need to put inside. If you want to put this image, insert into page, you can just then select this, drag and drop however you want here below this button or above this button. You can change the various size, fonts and everything. You just go through this, spend some time exploring all these things on, and it will make your life much easier. So once you have created a page for your website, you can just use it as your canvas. Now it is your canvas, and like how an artist has its own canvas, now this is your canvas and it's your time to paint or build it with your creativity. Put out stuff or your mission statement over there, and what your business or you reflect, you can just showcase it over there and generate leads on this website. And always try to make it professional. Okay, keep it professional, don't keep it very shabby, keep it professional, and this will be much beneficial for you if you want to run some online campaigns and all, because businesses who have websites are more credible and can attract more leads towards you. And to design your website, if you use a pre-built template, it will take around 1 hour for you to put your data and your images over there. And one more important thing that I want to show is that once you create your website, which is your home page, you need to tell WordPress that this is your home page so that it can assign your domain, your main domain to it. So to do that, you need to go to settings, and after you created your page and all, and in settings, go to reading and select your home page. In home page displays, select this option, a static page, and select your home page as the name of the home page that you have given, which is the one that you had designed. So whoever goes to omkartilve.com will land on my home page. So that is the reason. So as you can see, these are the estimated times of building this website. And if you sum it up, it will be, this will be 1 hour to set up all your website and the 1 hour to design it. So within 2 hours, you can launch a very professional website for your business. So now we'll see what are the investments that you need to put to build this website, because I don't want to just tell you that this can be done very easily and not show you what are the investments. So because once you know what are the investments and if it's feasible for you, you can take the decision right away. So that's why I've put this one more block over here. So first, the domain, for domain, the one that I'm using on Namecheap is that I'm paying $10 a year for omkartilve.com. Secondly, the hosting, WPX hosting that I'm using is approximately $25 a month that I'm paying for them. And the web builder plugin, which is Optimise Press, I'm paying around $129 a year. And these rates are rates today that I'm recording this video, which is the date displayed on this YouTube video. It may increase further, but if you can spend this much money and you have uh, you know the passion to build a website on your own and not to give money to some website developer, then go ahead with this. It's a very simple system that you can use to build a very professional business website for your business. So this is how you can build a very professional website for your business within 2 hours by using this website creation system. And as I told you that I am a business systemization expert, I love systemizing operations for different types of businesses. So if you want to systemize your business and optimize your operations so that you can spend more time on growing your business and not getting stuck in your daily firefighting, then I have planned three things for you. So, firstly, every week I do a live business optimization masterclass where I give strategies and tactics to systemize and optimize your business. And it is free of cost. If you want to register for it, you can go to umkartilve.com/connect. And secondly, if you want to start your business optimization journey today, you can become a VIP member of our Optimized Business Hub, which is our community. And once you become a VIP member, you get access to the recurring task automation blueprint, where I show how, as a business owner, how you can automate your recurring tasks so that you free up your calendar from these tasks. So if you want to become a VIP member, you can go to omkartilve.com/VIP. And lastly, if you want to stay tuned with the latest updates and the latest systems or the content that I create regarding business systems, you can join our WhatsApp channel by going to omkartilve.com/connect. There'll be a button which says our WhatsApp channel. You can go and stay connected with us. So now we have come to the end of this video, and go ahead, launch your website and try this system. It works because I have launched many websites for my businesses using this system. And if you have any doubts pertaining to this, just type it in the comment box. I will reply to all of those comments and your give a solution to your doubts. And if you want to take your business and start optimizing your business, then you can come to my live masterclass or become a VIP member, and I'll be happy to connect with you. So this is Omkar signing off. Bye bye.